everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SAP Concur, how to submit expenses. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to submit expenses using the SAP Concur, what you need to do first is simply head over and open up your SAP Concur app, and then once you're inside, what you need to do is be sure to be logged to your account by simply tapping on the sign in option and then entering your credential. Then once you're inside, simply tap on the menu or three horizontal bar and then simply tap on expense tab. Now simply tap on plus icon to create a new report. Then fill in the required details like report name, business purpose, start or end dates, and etc. Once done, simply tap on save. And next is to add expense to the report. You can use expense cell which is automatic from receipt by simply tapping on expense cell from the bottom menu or camera icon, snapping a photo of your receipt. The app scans it and auto creates an expense. Then simply tap the expense and assign it to your report. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.